This video I will show you how to use AIOStream to run Spotify automatically, play songs, playlist, album, follow artist, like songs and so on. There are 4 areas: manage accounts, data source management, used to add songs, playlist, album, artist data, task management, and message center. First, add accounts category, add a category name. Click Edit. You can rename. Click Delete a category. Expand and collapse means you can hide or unhide the category. Up and down means you can change the category order. Now add account information. 2 ways to add. First, click Add to add information directly. Enable means this account can be used at next procedure. Second way, import from TXT or CSV file. You can export the account information. Edit means change account information. Delete means delete account. Clear means clear cookies. Click More to use more functions of account. You can bind the user agent and proxy using these 2 functions. Limit. Edit the play task limit time under the account. For example, you can choose when to play songs, only play 100 times within 1 day, and the interval time. Proxy parameter. Proxy parameter settings, used to modify the information of binding proxies, such as time zone, WebRTC, location, etc. Account parameter, fingerprint parameter, used to modify browser information. HTTP test, used to test user binding agent parameters and fingerprint parameters. Next, I will show you how to bind proxy for multiple accounts. Select all accounts, click Proxy, or click right button, then click Proxy. Proxy can be added directly, or you can import from file. Click Check All. You can select all proxies. Selected all accounts, select Proxy. Choose which way to add proxy. Then click Start Binding. If you need to delete proxy, click here. The software also can scrape proxy automatically. Add source. Choose search type. Start load. Then stop load. Start to check proxy. The valid proxies were marked as green. Click Right button. You can edit proxy. View proxy, filter valid proxy. We can export proxy or add proxy to the software. You can see the valid proxy has been added. Account settings. Maximum number of threads means how many accounts will be verified at the same time. Tick the below 3 columns always. Logs of verifying the accounts can be found here. This one means how to check accounts. Statistics. All actions of task processing can be found here. Now, start to verify accounts. The verified accounts were marked as green. Next, date source management. We add some basic link. Firstly, song, artist, playlist, album link. Those would be used in task management. Add a category. You can add rename delete category. First data source we need to add is account source. Add name. There are two types. Account source and text source. Account source means the Spotify account. All the account information appeared. You can add rename delete category. Create a text source to keep song link. We can add link directly. Or import from file, one link per line. The procedure of adding album, playlist, artist is same. We go to the next part, how to create a task. There are 4 functional areas. If you have custom function, put the serial number. Click Clean to clean up the computer cache. First function, play song. Add a task name. You can see task introduction here. Select account source. Select which account you need to use. Click Save. Get songs URL from text source. You can add new URLs or remove the existed URLs. Play all URLs with all accounts. If we have 2 accounts, 4 songs, run 4 songs for 2 times, means every song will be run 4 times. Play all URLs without account limitation. The same example as before, means every song will be run 2 times with random account. Third mode and the first one has the same meaning, one more loop function. Fourth mode and second one has same meaning, one more loop function. URL order. Software plays songs URLs in which order. Runtime means playtime of a song. Choose if you need to pause for a while, like after playing 40 minutes to 60 minutes, pause 3 minutes to 4 minutes. When you choose loop function, the runtime setting is not working. Now we choose one way to run. Click Edit. You can change the task settings. Click Clear. You can clear a task cache. Click Setting to schedule running task. Thread means how many accounts task can be run at the same time. You can rename, delete task using those buttons. Click Start button to run the task. The task running status can be seen here. There are 2 lines means 2 threads running at the same time.
I promise that you'll never find another. I promise that you'll never find it.
After the task has been completed, the mark will become circle. Next function, play playlist. Add name. Select account source and playlist URLs. Play all URLs with accounts means play all playlist with every account. Play all URLs without accounts limitation means play all playlist with random account. The software just to complete the running task did not need to use every account to play the playlist. You can choose play the URL in which order. Runtime. Set pause time here. List order means the software will play which song in playlist. List count means how many songs will be played in a playlist. Click Start to run the task.
Do you love the rain? Does it make you dance when
Next function, save album. You can remove or save albums to your account. Select account and album URLs. Save or remove album. You can choose to run the album URLs in which order. The task running status can be seen here. Next function, save playlist to your library. You can remove or save playlist to your account. Select account and playlist URLs. You can choose to run the playlist URLs in which order. Start to run task. Next function, follow or unfollow artist. Select account and artist URLs. You can choose to run the artist URLs in which order. Start to run task. Next function, like or unlike song. Select account source and song URLs. You can choose to run the song URLs in which order. Start to run task. Next, search function, search artist, song, album, playlist. Select account source. This date source we should add the keywords we need to search. We have to create a new text source. Name it. Choose text source. Choose the text source will be saved to which category. You can add a new category here. Or import from file, a keyword per line. Next, create a new text source to save the search result. Search artist, song, album, playlist. Search the keywords in which order. Interval time setting. How many search results you want to save. Start to run task. One task has been run successfully. Go to Data Source Management to check searched result. The keyword created just now. Here is the search result. Next, create playlist. Input task name. Select account. To create playlist name, we need to create a new text source to keep playlist name. Add playlist name directly. Or import from file, one playlist name per line. Next, select song URLs you want to add to a playlist. Create a playlist for all accounts means every playlist will be created under every account. Create a playlist with random accounts means playlist will created with random account. Not every account has every playlist. Choose playlist name order. Song order. Select location to save the playlist link that the software created after the task completed. Create count means how many songs will be created in a playlist. Start to run task. A task has been run successfully. Now we stop the task to see the result. You can find a file in your saved location. Next, some advanced settings of playing playlist. Add a task name. Select Accounts and Playlist URLs. The function on left part all same as playlist function. The right part is new function. Only click means the software only click the playlist. Only play means the software only play one song in playlist. You can set the playtime. After close means after the setting time, a running thread will be stopped. Choose to save the playlist to your account. Like the song when the software play the song. Start to run task. Next function, search artist and play one song of this artist. Select account source. Create a new text source to keep artist name. Input name directly. Or input from file, one name per line. Choose play mode, play with every accounts, random accounts. Search the artist name in which order. Choose runtime, playtime. Only click means only click artist's page. After close means after the setting time, a running thread will be stopped. Last function, scrape user and song link from playlist, album. Select account source. Select album or playlist link. Create a new text source to save scraped information. Choose which information do you need. When you choose to scrape user or artist, have to put one in count column. Start to run task. You can see the scrape link in Datasource Management. We can create a task group, create tasks under one task group, so you do not need to run tasks one by one. That's all. Thanks for watching.